morning, welcome to Chat Motorsport. I apologise there's been no motorsport this weekend. It's the Jubilee weekend and I've been spending time with the family. But something good is happening. I've had this little Civic here for, I don't know, getting up to 2 years now, but I stopped using it when I got my Passat, which is just there, charging this battery for a minute. So now the Passat, I've just got a new dog and she's too tall to go in the back of the Passat, so we're going to be selling that. And we're getting probably another Honda CRV, and this is going to become my daily stroke track car, hopefully one day. Obviously finances and all that stuff, track days aren't cheap, now the tyres, now the fuel, but we'll see. So now this thing has had a couple of minutes charge. We'll see at the start, because every time I've started this car in the last 18 months to run it just for half an hour just to keep everything going, it's always started first time. Now, this is genuinely the first time start, so we'll see what happens, shall we? As you can see, this thing's just got 106,000 miles on it, so it's not, it's pretty good. Look at that, eh? What a good old little Honda Civic EP1. Right, so you saw I put clean fuel in it because it's been sat here a long time, as I said, and tomorrow it's going for its MOT. So providing it doesn't fail on loads and rust like the CRV did, hopefully. I know I need a wishbone. Other than that, I've got no idea what it needs. It runs, it's got fresh fuel in. I'm going to take it for a drive to wear all the rust off the brakes. I'm going to put a bit more fuel in it just so it doesn't run out again. Hopefully this battery's not dead and knackered. Hopefully it just wants charging. But we'll see. Tell you what, guys, even though it's not run for on the road properly, I don't know, 15, 16 months, the little Civic, I love it. How can something so underpowered in 90 horsepower be so much fun? I mean, you can put your foot down in second gear, redline it, and you're still doing 40 odd mile an hour. It's great. So I'll give you a quick look around it. Please excuse the state of it. It's been stood for well over a year, and at one point it was storing crap from outside the house till we got a skip, so it is filthy. I do apologise, it'll be clean again next week. Right then, so that's a very short video. Hopefully next week I'm going to be at the supercar show up at Horton Tower. I think it's next weekend. Anyway, so if you're going and you see me, please come up and say hello, tell me who you are, because as I said last week, I've got a shocking memory for names and people. But yeah, well, thanks for watching. If you can, please subscribe. As I say, I do waffle, I know. I hope this will become a series of videos getting this Civic. I'm looking quite ropey and rough and sat on a drive for 15 months, and before I owned it, when I bought it two years ago, whatever, it belonged to a little old lady, and she scraped all four corners, got her headlights, so it does want a lot of work doing to it. The car's probably not worth it, but I love the little thing. I just love driving it. So yeah, so hit the subscribe button. Next week we'll be back to normal following either racing or a show somewhere. And yeah, thanks for watching again. Sorry for the waffle. Take it easy, have fun. See you later. Bye bye.